Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to adjust the design of the text. Let's begin! Let's start! To change the design of the text that you entered in the layer, use the Selection tool to click the text in the Composition panel or click the text layer in the Timeline panel to select it. To change the font of the text, click Set the Font Family in the Character panel and select the font from the displayed list. Click Set the Font Style to display the font style list so you can change the thickness and shape of the text. To change the color of the text, select the text layer and click this button in the Character panel. The text color window appears, so select the color you like and click the OK button. Then click this button to change the outline color of the text. When the window appears, select the color of your choice and click the OK button. If you want to change the width of the outline, you can click Set the Stroke Width and select a size from the list or enter a number directly to change the size. At Set the Stroke Width, if you select Fill over Stroke, the stroke will be displayed outside the fill of the text. If you select Stroke over Fill, the stroke will be displayed on the fill of the text. Click this small button in the lower left corner of the color box to switch between the status of showing or hiding the stroke. Next, let's change parts of the text separately. Click Type tool on the toolbar and select a text layer. You can change the color of the text partially by dragging the part you want to change. Next, I will try changing the horizontal alphanumeric characters to vertical. Drag and select the text you want to change. Click the 3-line button in the upper right corner of the Character panel and select Standard Vertical Roman Alignment to change horizontal text to vertical text. Next, if you want to change only the numbers into the horizontal text, click the 3-line button in the upper right corner of the text panel and select Tate Chu Yoko. The numeric text will be written horizontally like this. I will describe how to reset the character settings. Because the previous setting will remain on the Character panel, you can click the 3-line button on the Character panel and select Reset Character to reset its settings. Finally, we will learn about Paragraph Panel. The Paragraph panel appears when you select Window on the menu bar. Click Paragraph. These text alignment buttons will allow you to change the text to left, center, and right alignment. These indentation buttons will allow you to adjust the size of the indentation. This is the end of the lecture on how to adjust the design of the text. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.